So I'm underneath my newest vehicle. I've got a 2001 Z28 Camaro, or Camaro with an LS1. I need to change an O2 sensor, so there's one right here next to the pan on the transmission, the 4L60E. And just so I can give everybody an idea of how to change an O2 sensor that's a newbie, all you newbies out there, let's just imagine that this thing was still on nice and tight. Alright, let's go it in for a little bit. This is what I did. Maybe. So okay. So I put my 22-inch wrench. Is it 22-inch or 22 millimeter? It might be millimeter. And I put it there. Alright, so this, and I used a rubber mallet. Now there's a rubber mallet. As you can see, I already have it off, and that's how I got it on. So, excuse me, that's how I got it off. So I did have to put the end through this part of the wrench. Obviously, I don't know what it's called. And that's how I was able to put it on there firmly and not mess up the O2 sensor, so I could get it off. So there you go. I'll be back in a bit. Give me a second. Let me put the new one on. So there is a brand new O2 sensor. One goes after the cat, and you can see what the brand new one looks like. Let me show you the one that just came off. It's most likely why it's bad. There it is, pretty nasty, and the brand new one.